It's a 2009 Acura TSX. A race-derived suspension system, a cabin perfectly balanced between indulgent and sport. This TSX is modern luxury. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love. External memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive reports the car takes corners at speed with noticeably more confidence and less body lean than the previous generation model, thanks in part to 2 1/2-inch wider track. Acura believes if there's a better way, take it. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today. Come visit us at Ardmore Toyota today, where we believe in continuous improvement and respect for people and their time. We look forward to seeing you in Ardmore, where we light up Lancaster Avenue.